Howdy. I made yesterday this short video about this Michael Levin, and at one point I mentioned that somehow it reminds me of White Rivers when he was talking about calcium and potassium. And that's the longer version of the video. It's almost 3 hours long. I'm not through it yet. But in one point, or at least, or in several points, he's drinking a bit of water. Evian. That's the Evian webpage. Our water gets its unique, cool, crisp taste from its 15-year journey through the French Alps. It starts as snow and rain and travels slowly through layers of glacial rocks, where it becomes naturally filtered and enhanced with electrolytes and minerals. Nature gives our water everything it needs. We don't add things for taste or enhance with extras. Here they are explaining how it is working. What is spring water? But there are many different types of bottled water. Spring water comes from an underground formation called an aquifer, from which water flows naturally to the surface of the earth at a source where it can be collected. Evian natural spring water is collected and bottled from our source, Cha-Cha Spring, in the French Alps. I don't know how to spell that. That's obviously the source of the water. Okay, there's like a very expensive clock there. And all kinds of very expensive stuff. Like everything what they made here was made like with money. And of course, like handcrafting skills. And we are here at the Lake of Geneva. So now let's try to go back in there again. Because we have also the Evian mineral water bottling plant. And that's something interesting. Here's the bottling plant. And here we have a river. Drange, maybe. Then it has this kind of turquoise color and rather whitish banks, so to say. There's some mining operation just by the river. We have a waterfall. And also here in the pictures we can see the sediments or the rocks which are still left. The finer sediments got washed off a long time ago. But they are rather white. So now if we go to the left, Riserva del Delta del Fiume Drans. For whatever reason it is spelled in Italian despite we are in France, but the river goes here and meets the water of the lake Geneva. The White River entering a lake. And the Evian mineral bottling plant just beside this delta, where everybody can see that the water of the river has a different color than the water of the lake. So I said many times, the signs are all over the place. You just have the eyes. You just have the eyes to see them. And this bottle is not visible all the time. Like, it's just a bottle there on the table. And when one point he turns it like that. So I was just checking out that I noticed that there is a bottle of water on the table. And it would be interesting if they would tell where it's from. And it's just from the banks of a white river. So I think they are connected after all. Yeah, I just thought that's a funny thing. Thanks.